we back. It's the next day. Got the trim painted up and sitting on this blanket on the trunk just to get it back in so it wasn't beating itself to death on the hanger. We got the headliner out here. We've already got all the bows in it and all labeled and all that stuff. I went ahead and marked center, measured them, did all that, and then cut the ends so that way we can get it placed up into the car. But before we do that, we've got the steamer out yet again because we're going to steam this headliner and get all the big bad wrinkles out of it first. And we'll probably have to steam it again once it's inside the car. But as of right now, the biggest thing is to just get all the big wrinkles out, and then we'll start getting it ready to go in. Maybe. We'll see what happens here in a minute. All right, everybody, I've been at it all day today as best I could. I've worked on the white C10 that I've got for sale, and I've worked on the Challenger today. And I'll show you what I've done. I know I sound like hammered crap. Trust me, I feel the same way. But anyway, that door panel's in over there. But even better, pop this door here. Seal plates are in, both sides. We'll go around this other side and I'll show you this debacle I've got to figure out. Oh, it's always something. Look right there. Notice a problem there? I imagine that part would fit, but this right here, this panel here cannot go back anymore at all. It's as back as far as it'll go. It's, you can see right there, it will not go back anymore. This one here does not want to seem to fit right, but it's this piece of welting right here that is just entirely too big. And so when you go to shut the door, it hits. So, and once it does that, then it kind of pulls on it. It's just not, it's not right. The panel is not right, the door panel. I've got to change them pins out, and that sounds like crap. It's just one thing after another, guys. But anyway, so there is progress. Door panel's on and all that. Handle in. And that panel down there is in. So, and the rest of the interior. And I was going to start working on that center console, but I feel like I've been hit at and missed and crapped at and hit, so I'm done for today. It's been everything I've touched today is just went to crap, so I'm not going to touch anything else and risk hurting this car. So I'm going to go in and take me some NyQuil. And, yeah, go lay down and just rest. Oh, we did drive I drove the C10 to town last night, the white one. And, it actually did really, really good. That's my first time driving it out on the open road. And, guys, that truck runs amazing. I just, for the life of me, cannot understand why nobody wants to buy it. So, I don't know. We'll drive it around a little bit more and see where it goes from there. But the Challenger is almost done, and then we get to bring the OBS Chevy up. So, we're going to get all this stuff done, guys. A little bit at a time, a little bit at a time. I am ready to get this Challenger done and get it back to its owner. And I'm ready to get started on that Chevy down there. Plus, we got a Harley coming in that I get to do a bunch of stuff to. That one was pretty cool because he said he wants Copperhead Road theme, and then the rest of it's just at my own discretion. Use my creative genius on it, is what he said. I'm not a genius, but I can use my creative idiot. Anyway, guys, I'm going in to rest. I'll see y'all in a minute. We're back. It's another day. I've had time to think. And I'm going to show you what I think I have come up with on this door panel deal. Because the door won't shut. So, in here, if you notice, none of this was ever meant to be leather wrapped. The stinking panel don't fit right because all of it's aftermarket. But you got to shut the door and we get bumpage right down there. Okay? It was never test fitted or anything. So now, My goal is, I guess, to make the door panel somewhat fit right and see if I can get some kind of rearward motion out of this guy here, maybe in some of this. I don't know. I do not know. Maybe I can. Maybe I can get just a little bit more backwards motion on that. I have no idea. So we're going to try it and find out. We'll see what happens. I don't know. This is what happens when you buy just aftermarket panels and have somebody wrap them and they've never been fitted to the car at all. Ever. Ever, ever. So, we're running that screw down too while I'm at it. All right. Let's see what I can... I got to take all this crap back apart anyway. So, yeah. I think we'll go with that. Try and get this panel slid back some more. Maybe. I don't know. It's been a super busy past couple days trying to get... All right, guys. It's been a super busy past couple days trying to get this Challenger to its final state right here where we're at. Let me show you what we got. Now, keep in mind, I'm not completely finished yet. We still got to build the center console for it and the rear valence. But you notice something that's in there? Oh, yeah. Interior is in. Carpet's in. Overlook that junk there. I still got to get it out. But, yes, it took forever to try and get these sides to match up with that wrap on there. And, yeah. And I still got to steam the headliner out, too. So, yeah, little stuff. And then we'll do the cleanup. But we got the back panel in. We got the trim in. We got the trim up the front. Around all that. Down. Seats are in. Carpet's done. Guys, we making progress on this thing slowly but surely. I got to admit, though, I thought that white and black interior was going to look like crap inside this car, but from here it looks pretty doggone good. So, yeah. Now, I'm going to save the center console and rear valence for the next video because it is officially Sunday and I've got to get this put together and get out to you guys, and it's going to be late. And I've got that truck there, that little Ranger, I've got to work on. So, we're going to stop on this for a minute. I'm going to go take care of that little Ranger, then we'll come back and finish this guy up. We are so close to done and ready to send this joker out to his owner. And I imagine his owner is super ready to have this thing home. And I'm ready for it to get out of my shop because I'm ready to work on OBS Chevy. But anyway, guys, so interior is complete. Ish. So, anyhow, guys. So, thank you so much for watching this installment of American Auto on the 1970 Challenger RT, full custom build. And come on, guys, let's get this thing on up to the 1,000 subscriber mark. We're so close. We're like 125 away. Let's see if we can get on up there. And I promise, guys, we got more content coming. We got way more content coming. I don't only work on Dodges. Matter of fact, Dodge is the last thing I want to work on. I'm ready to get that Chevrolet in here. But anyway, guys, I want to give a special thanks again to Carter's Powder Coating, which also on YouTube is Carter's Drag Racing. Go check them guys out. Give them a follow. Tell them I sent you. Big thanks to Ride Tech and AccuAir and all the other companies that have helped out on this project. Phytech for picking up the phone, talking to you, and helping you walk through the process on this thing after somebody else done janked it up. Guys, it's been a tough one. Like I say, we're not done yet, but we're getting so close. Anyway, we're going to finish this one out. Go check out Top Notch Trees 23. Go tell Jared I said hello. And, of course, the normal guys. Pole Barn Garage, Golden Rush Bus, Junkyard Digs, you know, all the big people. You know that I'm not. Go check out Honest Peyton Speed Shop. If you hadn't checked them out, they work on some pretty cool stuff over there. But outside of that, guys, I'm going to tell you the same as I always do. If it don't challenge you, it don't change you. That's a quote by somebody else that I've been using because I found it on a clipboard. But you know what? It's perfect because everything in this shop that I do is a challenge. And every time I challenge myself to see if I can do it, I do it. Maybe not the best in the world. I know I'm not the best. I know I'm not Ken Diggett, but maybe one day, if I ain't dead first, we're going to keep on pushing. We're going to keep on giving you guys content and hopefully teaching somebody something along the way. That's all I can do. But I will say this has been a really fun project. It's been a stressful project, but a fun project. But guys, as I said before, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you do me a favor. Comment, like, subscribe. If there's something I did on here that you didn't like, let me know so I know what I need to do, or if you're just butthurt over something. I don't know. If you did like what I did, tell me. Yeah. So, that being said, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.